video calling is here to stay. So it's time you took your call setup more seriously. You don't have to spend a lot of money. A few small changes can make you look and sound better. That'll help people perceive you to be more professional and a better communicator. There are three main considerations: your lighting, your camera, and your sound. Always video call from a well-lit room. Ideally, sit facing a window for natural lighting. If you have a window behind you, you'll appear underlit. For consistent lighting, invest in a ring light or proper LED lights. You can even set the color temperature to match natural light. For a higher quality picture, ditch your built-in webcam and use your phone's camera instead. There are apps to make it really simple to stream from your phone to your laptop. External webcams are also a good idea. Look for a resolution of 1080p HD for a sharp image. Or even consider using an old digital SLR camera. Finally, consider your sound quality. Get a USB microphone or a wireless clip-on mic. And if you're in the office, tweak your call settings to minimize background noise. If you'd like help getting the perfect video call set up for you and your team, get in touch.